36. The position x of an object is given as a function of time t by the equation x equals 8 plus 4t minus 6t cubed, where x is in meters and t is in seconds. What is the maximum positive velocity attained by this object? Now, if we stick to the fact that the derivative of position is going to be the velocity, so the velocity in terms of time is going to be 4 minus 18t squared. Derive again, and you will get the acceleration, which is negative 36t squared. Now, the maximum positive velocity will be accounted by the fact that the acceleration is 0. And the acceleration is 0 only if time is 0. At time t equals 0, you get a velocity of 4 meters per second. And so your answer is option A.